MCA Kurwaze County ya Kisii nigo bamojirie serikali anene kirabate abune serikali iyo neregendete kutuma majoni gochase County ya Kisii ayaniga goja magiga yabanyanyimbo Kurwaze kiombe gia GSU litukuregoro wotarasi chobisyo mugabana asigeti kya Gusii stadium bagukwane getaseni kya Ndizi TV goseni jomba chuburali bakurawa nomokonyi bwomonogeri bwebunge ye County ya Kisii chakubagaka baigoro mwe MCA wodi ya Masige West nigo babolire umuwaziri w'uburendi bwa Kithure Kindiki kwerera ningi kyagerede abanyanyimba bagacha ase County ya Kisii asibo igo babolire umugabana bwe County ya Kisii Paulo Arati kwegwa esko yae na kwegwa libaga akorere abamenyi be County ya Kisii emirimo igani wa mochorete koba gobo mugabana obo inda bakorere amagendero.
Indeed, at the county assembly, we have already enacted the county credit scheme to help empower the small and medium enterprises financially. As if that is not enough, only yesterday, the GSU officers raided the governor's office and ransacked it without due regard to inform him of the intention, nor did they have a such warrant to that effect. This was an act of impunity which goes contrary to the Constitution of Kenya 2010. It begs the question, why would the government send truckloads of GSU officers from Nairobi to harass the governor and his officers instead of dispatching them to banditry prone areas like Northeastern and Baringo? This marks of ill intention aimed at derailing the governor and the county government of Kisii from the course of normal operations. We hereby ask the Interior CS, Professor Kindiki, to come out clear and explain to Kenyans why they are victimizing Governor Arati because of his political inclinations. At the same time, we condemn South Mugirango MP, Honorable Silvanus Osoro, for just stamping on the illegal police operations in Kisii County. As a member of Parliament from Kisii, Osoro should concentrate on his oversight role on the national government, and especially on the rising cost of living, which is affecting all Kenyans as of today.